Hey crafters, and happy holiday. And today I am using my niece Ken doll just to make her a shirt. And it's going to be a quick sewing project. I'm so excited. And if you do, just give me a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you. And just enjoy watching the video. Okay, I just head down to my local Hobby Lobby. I'm looking at all these swatches right here. So I actually like all of them, but I had to choose one. All of them are very cheap, so I just chose that black one with the dog printed fabric, as you can see right here. I don't know, I think it's cute. It's fun, it's masculine, so why not? Let me just try it out. Just to fast forward a little bit, so everything you see is all cut it out, all being placed on my mat. So everything had been printed out. Oh, and thank you for Chelly Wood again for the free pattern. I really appreciate it. So everything's been pinned up and ready to be sewn. Right sides together, wrong sides inside out. And let's start sewing. Okay, the sleeves already been sewed into the shirt. I just need to flat everything down with my iron to make sure everything's together. Be easier to sew the next step of the project. Okay, everything has been sewn correctly, and let's just do the final product. As you can see, it's just a collar attached to the shirt, and let's start sewing. Everything is inserted right, so yeah, let's ready to go. And this is the final product, and I'm very proud of it. I know my niece is gonna love this shirt. It was really interesting when I bought this Ken doll. He doesn't have a shirt or shoes, so why not? Let me just make a shirt for him. I actually like it. Thank you, and God bless.